What's up guys, this is Aroxel and in this video we're gonna do random doorbell prank, and I think we are sponsored by this, but oh my shit, not that thing. So we're gonna do random doorbell prank. We're gonna ring random doorbells and let's see what's gonna happen. So stay tuned and hit the like button and subscribe for more, and don't forget to comment with my friends over here. Let's get started guys.
Run. 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 Run.
কে আমাদের